Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I wanted to announce that I am finally creating a Camtasia course. So after a very long time, I have decided to create a Camtasia course. Now, if you're watching this video, you've probably seen a bunch of my tutorials that I have here on YouTube, and I've been doing these tutorials for a while, like a couple of years now. And I've been using the Camtasia software since Camtasia 7. That was back in 2010 or 11 when I started with this software. I've literally edited thousands of videos for our channel, for other businesses, and I really enjoy coming up with new tips and tricks to share with you guys. So after receiving many messages and people asking about if I'm offering a course, I've decided to finally create one. And in a sense, I've kind of been creating one for years. But now it's going to be an official course where everything is all together, and it's probably going to be one of the largest online courses I've ever made because there's so many things to talk about in Camtasia. So I wanted to create this video to not only announce that to you guys and to stay tuned, but I also want to ask what you guys want to see in the Camtasia course. Are there specific things that you would like me to cover? If so, please let me know in the comments section down below. You can just type it out and let me know and I'll check it out. And if it's something that I haven't already created, and if I know how to do it, I'll create it and I'll put it in the course. So another reason why I'm creating this course is because I get a lot of people asking me the same type of questions. So because I have so many videos on YouTube, they're pretty much scattered everywhere, and it's hard for people to get like a uniform course guide outline of how to use Camtasia. So people always ask me if I offer a course, if I have something more in a sequential order of videos. To be honest, I never even thought to create something like this, but my business partner, Arit, noticed that, people were always asking about this, and this is something that I know really well, so why shouldn't I be creating a course about this? So I'm pretty excited about it. I'm actually currently filming it right now. I'm in sort of the 75% complete range right now. Like I said, it's a really large course, so it's been taking me a while to finish this up. So if you want to be notified when this course comes out, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, and you guys can sign up to an exclusive link that will get you notifications when this Camtasia course comes out. You'll also have access to all of our other current courses that we have right now. I'm really excited for this. I'm really excited to release it. Haven't released a full-on course in a while, so it's been definitely quite a journey, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.